Hi everyone, I'm Marcus Lanny. I'm our program management intern at G&W Electric this summer, and today we're going to be talking about a day in the life of an office intern. First, the individuals that work in the office are your program and product management interns, finance, marketing, maintaining engineering, production engineering, and application engineers, as well as your HR interns. And now, what the office looks like is essentially multiple different rows of cubes. And as an intern, you're going to be able to be right in the midst of everything that's happening in the office. You're going to have a desk, or you're going to have your own cube in the office. But now, even though you're working in the office, that means that you still have to go out onto the floor, because a great part about G&W is that even though we do have our office positions, we have the opportunity to go see our products being made on the floor. So there's these clear windows everywhere, and just behind you, you can actually see where the products are being made. So I'm gonna be walking through the rest of my day as an intern in the office at G&W Electric, and I hope you enjoy it.
If you're working in the office, you're going to start most of your days with a stand-up meeting. And this is a time for you and your team to align on your projects and determine your goals for the day and the week. Before you get off to your meeting and start answering emails, you want to have a good understanding of where you want to be by the end of today. And by standing around our stand-up board with your team, you're going to be able to know the exact status of your projects, what you need to do to keep moving those forward, and what our next action items are down the line. I'm with our production engineering intern, Nick. And what Nick's working on is a way to enhance our quoting process at G&W. So it's essentially some application engineering. We are modifying the application so we can create a product that a customer specifically wants. And now we're going to keep moving on to other interns that are working in design, as well as interns that are doing research and other management duties. I'm with our sustaining engineering intern, Eva, and what she's doing is updating designs and drawings that are actually going into our product. So if there's ever revisions after we launch a product, they come through Eva, she updates them, and then we continue pushing them out so the product and everything in the process runs smoothly. As an office intern, you're going to be spending a good bit of time working on the computer while collaborating with other people in the office. So for example, what I'm working on right now is I'm creating a document that facilitates the conversation between product management, engineering, and quality so we can create the best products possible. And a different project that I'm working on is creating a dashboard that displays project statuses and that allows us to take on new projects. When you're working in the office, you're going to be able to be both in meetings, you're going to be needing to email, and you're going to be able to go walk and talk with the people around you. Overall, in the office, you're still able to see the product that's being made on the floor, but you're going to be able to have a different approach in how you're contributing to that project.
Another great part of working at G&W Electric is being able to work cross-functionally and work with different departments. So even though I'm the program management intern, I've been able to work with 5 different departments this summer. And that's been able to expand my breadth of knowledge and actually explore these new areas. I've been able to figure out what do I like versus what do I not like so much. So when you're coming to work in G&W, you're going to be able to work on more than just the few projects you're assigned. You're going to be able to explore, go talk and learn about what everybody else is doing and help them out.
Working at G&W Electric extends beyond just the meetings, emails, and work that you're actually doing. They have an incredible culture, which goes beyond just the work friendship. But you're able to create real friendships, specifically within the internship program. One of our favorite parts of the internship program is actually being able to spend time and work on projects with other interns. So one of our favorite things is actually coming together every day and eating lunch. So we have Eva and Nick that you saw earlier in the video, and we're able to come sit down during lunch, have a good time, catch up, and then get back and get ready to work. So I really hope you consider coming to G&W Electric, and we'll see you soon.